Hey guys, today I'm going to do a quick review about this muffin pan that I got on Amazon recently. I absolutely love this pan. I've been looking for a silicone muffin pan for a while now. And one thing I don't like about the silicone pans is how flexible they are, and you have to be super careful when you place them in the oven. And I was doing a little bit of research and I came across this one, and I love it, the idea of having a steel frame with the silicone cups. This makes life so much easier, not just for the muffins but also cleaning. Very easy to clean this. And well, it's also very easy to remove the muffins because you can just pop them out and they are ready to go. Love the idea, love the quality. These are made of silicone, 100% silicone. They're not toxic, which is nice. You can't remove them, but you can place this pan on the dishwasher, so you're safe. It's dishwasher safe. These are heat resistant. It can resist up to 450 Fahrenheit. Usually muffins are a lot cooler than that, so you're gonna be fine if you're thinking about getting this pan for muffins. The frame is very thick. You can see that this is durable. The material they used is very, very good. I love this. Highly recommend it. It's such a great idea.